Yo, we are the Crane Couple, and we're back at Belmont Park in San Diego, California.
Woo!
We do love this place. It has been a while since we were last here. They have lots of ticket games, and they have lots of squishies. Yes,
Yeah.
they've got even more squishies to win, so go ahead and guess just how many squishies you think we're gonna win from here at Belmont Park Arcade, right?
Can we beat our record from last time?
It's like 30 or something?
Something like that.
We might. I got a good feeling about today. Anyway, come join us.
Let's go try!
It's Wheel of Fortune with a mega win bonus.
Let's go!
1,890. So what do you gotta do, Brittany?
You gotta spin it.
Spin it good.
We gotta get the L. If we get the L, we get the mega bonus.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Go for it. Just spin the wheel.
Ready?
Go. Go for it. Come on.
Big money, no whammies.
Oh, no.
No, it's too fast.
What? Yes! Oh my gosh! No way! Yes! Brittany, the mega win! Oh my goodness! Incredible! 1890 and in one play! Play again? No way! I ain't playing this ever again. You can't top
I
that.
know, right?
One play. Honestly.
I'm going home
Honestly.
now.
We don't normally like to play these wheel spinning games because it, you know how they are.
Yeah. Man, I really thought it was gonna go too fast and go past it.
I was so certain, but it stopped.
Yeah!
I told it to stop. I told it to slow down, remember? And here it is.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, it's our favorite, Goal Line Rush.
Yeah.
Well, more like Goal Line Russ.
Russ.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
That's where we want the ball. Okay. You guys think you can get it in one?
Let's do it. What?
No! Brittany!
Oh!
No!
Yeah!
Wait!
Does that count?
No, we didn't count it!
What?
It's their late!
No!
Oh! Well, you know what? It still counts as one to me, okay?
Wow.
You just didn't give it enough time. Come on! That was a little late.
You got 50?
50. Oh.
Look at that one. Look at the 5.
Oh. The bonus. Oh no, the jackpot's getting buried a little bit. Ah, no, I had to push it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty stuck in there. Come on.
Oh, yeah,
there it
you got
is.
it.
That's what was supposed to happen. Man, you owe me another 300 tickets, machine.
I know. Yeah.
They're fine. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Now can you do that again? What?
Uh-oh.
Does that count?
No. Oh no.
Yeah.
Did it?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
I
It got stuck. Never had that happen before. We played this a lot. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, how about that? This is new to us.
The whole...
Hoopla.
Oh, they're like squishy.
Well, you gotta get the rings on the little sticks.
Yeah.
Oh. Man, that's harder than it looks. You just get unlimited prize?
I think
Looks like it's just time.
maybe till the timer runs out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, what the hell?
Get one. That's why it's squishy. Go bounce off. Oh no.
I'm terrible.
You know what? It was your first try. It seems like you gotta you gotta toss it real careful. All right, I'm tagging in.
Oh, you
There's
got
one.
one. Oh, you got one.
Come on.
Oh, yeah, nice. You have 8 seconds left.
No. Not enough time. That's hard. Oh man.
Hey, you got more than me.
I got 3.
You got 40 tickets still.
That's not too bad.
That's pretty cool.
That's a fun game.
Yeah.
That's pretty tough. These things are really...
Yeah.
Try number 2. Watch me get none on this one.
Oh, nice.
Got one.
Oh, you got another one. Oh, you got
I got 2 on that one.
That's 3.
That doesn't count.
No.
Oh,
there
you
you
got
go.
2. Oh, you just need 2 more. Oh, are you serious?
Hey, look at that. Look at that. I got 2 on the same one. Man,
you were so
Brittany,
close.
That was really
you should
good.
do it again.
One more?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You got really close on that one.
I thought I was throwing horribly in the beginning, but I guess not. I got 100 though.
What?
I got 100 for that.
Nice.
It's the fidget spinner frenzy game. Yep. The dream of 2017 is still alive, Brittany. You gotta hit 500 RPM on the dot to win the 1,000.
Yep.
Can you do it?
No.
Well, give it a shot.
Ready?
Come on. Okay.
I wasn't even close. I got spin
320.
faster.
Oh, that's way slow. So your spinning skills.
What? It said too slow. Did you see that?
Yeah, that was weird.
What?
What?
I spun that a lot fast. I don't think it registered it.
Yeah, because it said too slow and then it... There you go.
Too fast.
Oh, actually...
Oh, what?
440. You need to go even faster,
man.
Brittany.
Can I try spinning it faster?
Sure.
Time to spin the spinner.
I gotta spin it real fast. Let's
All right.
go.
Whoa, that's really fast.
He likes it. He likes it. Come on.
Oh, too fast.
Oh, really? Man, that was good though. 75 tickets.
Oh, yeah.
That's hard. One more.
This is a
Let's
new
go.
skill, not high speed. Spin.
I think that was going to be
I
a little
think slower.
under. Maybe like 470.
Oh,
Are you kidding me? No! 505! It doesn't get any closer than that.
Man.
Guys, I bet it was like 501 RPM.
And they were like,
rounded
no.
up.
Yeah.
So I'm done for today. I don't know about you guys, but I'm going home. The Monster Drop Extreme.
Extreme.
You got a nice big jackpot of 447 and 10 bonus balls. Let's go. Oh, no!
Man.
Oh, Brittany, that's about as close as it gets.
I know.
That was a surprisingly good regular bounce.
12.
That was not a good roll-in, though.
I would love to get that monster jackpot. That's 30,000 tickets.
That was so close. Come on, Brittany.
Alright, I'm gonna go around again.
Came out a little late. Come on.
20.
Well, 20's okay, I guess. Come on, Brittany.
What?
Oh, he didn't drop your ball.
I didn't count it.
Yeah, he bounced off with.
I need to try that again.
Okay, go for it.
Oh,
So
man.
close. It actually, it did hit the inside of it.
No,
Not the
not
mystery
value.
15 tickets. I think I can get more than that 15 mystery value.
Let's go.
Oh,
what?
I got 3 balls. Hacks. Look at that.
What?
Arcade hacks.
Oh.
No. Look at that, guys.
What the heck?
No joke. You see that? 3 balls. How did that happen? Is that a first?
And now a ball is stuck.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
There's a ball right there. Well, you got your 3 balls.
I got 3 balls to drop at one time without a bonus ball thing. Guys, that was cool. That might be one of the first or only times we'll ever see something like that happen.
Yeah.
Sadly, we've seen that
But
broken
now it's
something.
broken.
As is tradition on the Crane Cup. And of course, we couldn't have gone to Belmont without getting not 1, but 2 full sets of Willy Wonka cards. We came here and there was not 1, but 2 golden tickets.
There was one in each of the machines.
Of course, we had to finish off our old set, right? Why not? How are you going to see a golden ticket in the machine and just leave it there?
Right, especially in gold machines.
So that's 4,000%.
Yeah.
Easy. That's a lot of tickets.
Yep.
Wow. Brittany,
Look at all of them.
that is a lot of squishies. Oh my goodness. Yes, exactly. That is my face. We won all those tickets here.
All
So
right.
we ended up with like 17,000 plus tickets.
Yep.
Count them off, Brittany.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. We almost got 50 squishies.
Oh my goodness. If some of them weren't like kind of pricey
Yeah.
ticket-wise, we would have hit 50.
Yeah,
But
there was a lot that were like 500 tickets.
my goodness, that is a lot of squishies regardless. I think we blew away our last record of like 30
yeah.
something. We got like one of like everything.
Yep.
And some of them were two of everything.
Yeah, we doubled up on some of them.
Why not, right? But yeah, that was a lot of fun. We got a lot of tickets. We had some great wins there. Some not so great moments, but regardless, a lot of fun.
That was so fun.
It was amazing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video too. Thanks for watching. We are the Crane Couple. Don't forget to like and comment. Let us know what you think about our latest Squishies ticket game video here at Belmont Park in San Diego, California. So many Squishies, Brittany. Oh my gosh. What do you do with so many Squishies?
You give them away.
That's right. We're going to try out our new little giveaway system. All you got to do is check out the video description. There is a link down there. We're using a new website. Very professional looking giveaways. That helps us keep track of things better. So yeah, all you gotta do, click on that link, check out that website. We got all the instructions down there, and that way you can enter to your heart's delight. A lot of different ways to enter this. But yeah, it's pretty easy. Don't worry.
I like it's pretty easy.
It's a legitimate company. There's no weird stuff. I
Down
think
there.
like Razer and like other companies use stuff like that. Check it out.
Do it.
We'll have a few winners. We get a bunch of different squishies. Anyway, thanks guys. See you next time.
Bye. I'm gonna go squish some squishies. Rah!
Fabulous.